Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding the live photo you want to extract, because the process depends on that file type. Once located, tap it and review the live badge. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 13 or later, since built-in export options exist. If the live photo is in iCloud only, make sure it's downloaded to local storage. Then tap the share icon to reveal the conversion options. This quick setup prevents missing menu items and speeds extraction. Once the live photo is local, choose the method that fits. Use Share then Save as video to create a single movie file. This keeps motion and audio. For multiple images, run the shortcuts action named Convert Live Photo to Video. It batches efficiently. If you prefer a Mac workflow, import the live photo into Photos, select it, then right-click and pick Export one video to get a clean. Make sure to check quality settings when exporting, so you preserve frame rate and resolution. Finish by saving the extracted video where you need it, Files, Photos Library, or use AirDrop for a fast transfer to Mac. If the clip is too long, trim or compress using iMovie or the Photos editor to reduce size without losing keyframes. If you encounter a missing Save as Video option, make sure iOS is current and turn off Optimize iPhone storage so originals download. Once done, retry the export. That one tip resolves most export failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.